Komiti moyiedhi marango weche mag thuondi mapachoka oyango chenro mar loso Hemko kata kar rapar mar Mekatilili wa Menza mane okonyo kedo ne piny Kenya chung' kar kende. Kagituak gi jofuambo e gwenge ma Shakahola, jokanyo mag komitino owacho ni nitie dwaro mar dhialo thuondi mapachoka kod chiwo puonj ne oganda e wi yore mane gikonyo bero chal Kenya. Okang' mar loso kar rapar mar Mekatilili wa Menza en okang' ma orwak kod jodongo mag dhot ma Mijikenda kagiwacho ni obiro chwalo bende chenro mag limbe kendo biro miyo oganda loko pachgi e wi gwenge ma Shakahola.
We are here with the board, and one of the key things is to visit the site and also share with the governor how we can come up with a memorable monument in the history making. Secondly, we have discussed with the governor and we want to see how we can project to do that monument and also secure that site as a historical site for in terms of our heritage.
It will both serve as a gateway for our youngsters and people to learn something of the history of the community, but also properly planned can also be part of the tourist attraction. The way you go to get the ruins and talk about, you go to Vasco da Gama in Malindi, everybody visits Vasco da Gama when they come to Kilifi. Only that pillar at the beach. So putting together the history of Mekatilili and where the site will be and properly organized can be part of tourist attraction and also a learning center for our children in schools.
Hakuna mtu ambaye anatawaliwa na mkoloni yoyote katika historia ambayo tunaijua ambaye alipigana na huyo mkoloni ambaye anamtawala akijua kwamba ana silaha, lakini yeye kwa ujasiri wake alipiga kofi mzungu kuonyesha ulimwengu mzima kwamba alikuwa na hasira kwamba Kenya inatawaliwa na mkoloni. Kwa hivyo nasikia kama nimefika hapo nyuma, na ni furaha yangu kubwa na furaha ya Madika na pwani nzima kwamba